To my viewers, my students, to everybody, I have just created the new WhatsApp channel. I'll be giving you reasons why you should join that WhatsApp channel, okay? But before I continue, the link is in the comment section below or in the description. After watching this video, go and join, okay? So I created this WhatsApp channel last 3 days ago, and I want my people, that is you, who have been there for me from day one till today on this YouTube channel. I want this community to also go to my channel on WhatsApp and let's grow this community, okay? Because I want to be updating you guys on whatever I do, whatever post I'll be making, so that most of you won't be missing a lot on what I do on this YouTube channel, okay? And I'll be deleting my Telegram channel because of due to scammers. People will be going to people on that same Telegram channel and be requesting things from them and stuff. So that is why I'll be deleting the Telegram channel, okay? So I have posted the link on the Telegram channel, and also I'll be deleting my WhatsApp group, okay? So there won't be any group or any channel apart from WhatsApp channel, okay? And with this WhatsApp channel, the features in it are very cool. You have no right to DM people in that channel, okay? I think you can't even see people in that channel. The only thing you can see is my post and also the number of people following that channel, and I think maybe you can also see the admin, okay? And sorry to say this, but you cannot maybe chat in the channel, but you can also leave a reaction, okay? This is gonna help me in the near future, tomorrow, next tomorrow, in a week or in a month, okay? And you guys are gonna benefit from this a lot because I'll be bringing more content to you guys so that in the next 6, 7, 8 months, you people will be very good on the music you play, okay? Because I'll be bringing a keyboard lesson to people who want to learn keyboard, okay? So I want to keep you guys updated on anything I do, whether I post maybe a video or something we are gonna tackle on, anything. I just want you to join that channel, okay? If it's big, I'll beg you guys. I will beg you guys to join. I want the channel, that is our WhatsApp channel, to also grow to this level so that if anytime I post, you all on my WhatsApp channel will get the alert and have to come and watch the video, okay? So guys, I have nothing much to say on this video, but if you click on the link and it doesn't work, maybe you haven't updated your WhatsApp, maybe your business WhatsApp or your normal WhatsApp, okay? I want to avoid scammers from scamming you people. That is why I want to place everything in one place, okay? You people can have the freedom to do whatever you want to do, okay? So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, that is Tuesday, on this very cool breakdown, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.